Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your location in the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the Location button. And as you can see, you can find common locations, or you can just scroll down and find yours. Or you can just search for it at the search bar and just click on the one that you want to set. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.